Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to design YouTube video thumbnails. If you are a YouTuber and you are watching this video, I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT to quickly design attention grabbing YouTube thumbnails that get clicks and make people view and watch my video to the end. Now, if you are looking at my screen, you will see that this is a YouTube thumbnail which I want to. This is an inspiration thumbnail. It's a video, an image of Kiki Palmer and Mariah Carey, and I liked it. I like this type of concept, and I want ChatGPT to create something like this for me, where because in my last video I just showed my audience how to use ChatGPT to generate AI models for your products. If you have not watched that video, it's in my previous. I just uploaded it a day before yesterday, so go and watch it, and it will be in the to appear up here. So you just to appear up here, so you can go and watch that video. I'll show you how I use ChatGPT to create an AI model for my products. This is AI generated model. So I'm going to show you. I showed you how I did it there. So now I want to create a YouTube thumbnail where this image will appear alongside my own image, because in my YouTube thumbnails I always like my image to appear on it. So I want to generate an YouTube thumbnail where this image of this model will appear alongside me, just like this. So I want to show you exactly how I do it. I wanted to record this video and generate the thumbnail for myself, but I decided to record the whole process and share it with you guys because I love you. So let's do it. Let's do it now. So what I'm going to do, you're going to come to ChatGPT, and then this image here, you are going to screen grab it or download it, anyone that you like. I like screen grabbing it because it's easy to find. So I'll just screen grab it here, and then screen grab it. I will capture it. Then what we're going to do now is I'm going to say give ChatGPT. I'm going to attach that image which I screen grab, and also I'm going to let me show you an image of myself. Now I'm going to screen grab this image too. Command Shift 5. This image, I'm going to screen grab it. I want this image to appear alongside the image of the model in the thumbnail, just like that Mariah Carey and Kiki Palmer thumbnail. So I'm going to screen grab this, and then I'm going to go back to ChatGPT here. Then I'll now say I've already started writing the prompt. I'll say I have a video I want to upload to my YouTube channel. Upload to my YouTube channel. So let me attach the two screen grab versions which I've done. Let me attach it. This and this. So I'll now say I have a video I want to upload to my YouTube channel titled how to generate AI models for your product marketing using ChatGPT for free. So I'm going to also upload the image of the AI model. Oh, sorry, it's not here. So let me screen grab this, screen grab 5, so that it will be easy to do. So I'll just screen grab this. Just watch, just be patient and watch and learn. It will help you for your business or whatever you are doing. Um, so I'll just attach it here. attach it. Then and now this is what I'm now it's time to give ChatGPT my prompt. I'll say I have a video I want to upload to my YouTube channel titled How to Generate AI Models for Your Product Marketing Using ChatGPT for Free. I saw a thumbnail which I liked, and I want you to use it as inspiration for the thumbnail you are about to generate. That is the first image attachment. I want you to put the AI model to the left, then the text in the middle, and my image by the side. Flip my image to face the left. Let's read it because you want to be very, very sure of what you are giving ChatGPT. The prompt you are giving ChatGPT is very important. So let's read it very well to be very make sure that we are clear. I have a video I want to upload to my YouTube channel titled How to Generate AI Models for Your Product Marketing Using ChatGPT for Free. I saw a thumbnail which I liked and I want you to use as inspiration for the thumbnail you're about to generate. That's the first image attachment. I want you to put the AI model to the left, then the text in the middle and my image by the right side. I want my image in the right side. Flip my image to face the left as it is currently facing the right. Let the thumbnail have a blue background element. I want the image to be attention grabbing. So now this I've given ChatGPT the prompt. Let's see what will happen. Let's send it and see what will happen. So we're just going to wait and see what it generates. Let's see. Let's see. Just wait and be patient to see what it generates. Wow. See what it generated. You see? So this is a YouTube thumbnail. How to generate AI models for your product marketing. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now we want to download this and save it. We save it as AI model thumbnail 1. So we'll go back to our this thing. So now you can see that this image is in blue background. I want to generate two more variations of it, because you know with YouTube you can have like three variations of your thumbnail to test, so that YouTube can push the one that is most likely to give you views. So I will now say, okay, kindly generate another version of this thumbnail with red background image. So a red background thumbnail, sorry, background elements. Because you have to be careful what you tell ChatGPT. So let's see. Uh, let's see. Just be patient and see. So you can see it generated the red background. You can see it with red background. So we have blue, we have red. Now let's do another one where we generate it with a green background. Let's generate another one with a green background. So we just copy this prompt and then turn this red to green. To green. Let's see what it generates. Just wait, just be patient. You want the thing to take its time to do its work, so you just be patient. Wait for it to generate. It will soon generate now. Let's count from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and this is it. You can see what it generated now. Beautiful image. So I'm just going to save this and use it for my YouTube thumbnail description. So if you want to learn how to do this, if you want to learn, you can do this for any product you are selling, any product you want to market for, you can do this for. You can my YouTube channel is a gold mine. Go and watch my videos. You will see a lot of things that you can learn for yourself. So you can use this to sell any product. You can generate an AI model for your product, and it will work well for your Facebook ads. It will work well. It also works well for my YouTube because I use it to generate YouTube. So if you want to learn about e-commerce, you want to learn about you want to get a list of products that you can start selling for yourself to make your money online through e-commerce, then check in the link in the description and get my Billionaire Maker Hot Product Blueprints, where you will get at least 10 products that you can start selling today to make a 1 million naira online. Also, you will see my profitable email and WhatsApp marketing blueprints, where you will learn how to build a WhatsApp community and email list that pays money to you, that gives you money, that makes money for you. You also learn how to write powerful and persuasive sales letters that make people beg to buy from you. I have a course on that. Check in the description. And if you want me to partner with you, you want me to partner with you to create marketing creatives for your products, check in the link in the description. You will see me there. You learn it. You can get in touch with me. If you want a one-on-one call, you want me to brainstorm with you, to share ideas with you, to answer your questions on a one-on-one basis, you can book a call below and I'll attend to you as fast as possible. So I'm going to save this and I'm going to upload it, and you're going to see how it is on my YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless. Don't forget to like this video, ask questions in the comment section, and I will reply to you. Thank you and subscribe. Subscribe. Thank you.